guys, welcome back. It's Shelby and today we are making pretty decorative cards to accompany your presents to family and friends. We have our tools, which are just scissors, and aren't these really cute? They're my tweezers. You're going to want some pictures for the fronts of the cards. I honestly just got these mainly from like the clip art off Word, but you could use actual pictures and personalize it. That would be really cute. Some decorative items. I got gems, little baby gems. They're different shapes. There's some stars, circles. They're cute. Some crafting tape, just different colors. I got gold, blue. It's not really coming out on camera. It's looking very orange, but it's pink and red, and then green. Some glue to put the gems on, just clear glue. Some stiffer construction paper. I just got a pack of different colors. And then the insides of your cards, you just literally write some nice things, print them out in a nice font on regular printer paper, and that's all you need. Hey guys, all right, let's get started. So first you're gonna wanna start with the picture that you're choosing for the front of the card. My first one is going to be this fireworks display, and I'm going to figure out what I want to kind of jazz it up with. I have these jewels here, the little baby ones I will be using. And then I also have larger jewels, just silver reflective ones. I think those might be pretty to add as well. And we will start with that, just getting them on here because then the glue needs some time to dry. So I'm going to decide what I want. I've got a selection here. I think I want to stick with the gold because it's a gold card. So I'm thinking gold stars. I'm gonna take my little tweezers, super cute. Just get a little star. Can you see that? Ah! And it keeps running away, but that's okay. We're just gonna put a little tiny bit of glue on the back. Pick it up with my tweezers. And I think I'm just gonna put it right, not there. It's already there now because of the glue, but we're just gonna put it right there. And then we're going to take another star one because that turned out really good, and I'm going to put them on these sparkler ones over here. Just like that, and smush. There we go. Looks good. We're going to keep going. All right, we're going to put another silver one because I like the way those turned out on this big one here. And you can get as crazy with the decorations as you want. I want mine to just kind of accentuate the photo rather than be the focus. But I mean, you could like put them everywhere, but right now it's just like a little bit of glow, which is nice. Perfect. So we're done with this. So now we need to find a nice inside for the card. So like I said, I just printed out nice things like happy birthday, thanks for being a great friend, things like that. But I tried to make them go with the picture, so I'm gonna see if I can find the one I did for fireworks. Let's go with this one. So this one just says, time to celebrate. And so what I'm gonna do is I actually want this to be about the size of my picture, but it's gonna go on the inside of the card. So the construction paper is gonna be the actual size of the card. This is gonna be a little bit smaller, and then when you open it up, you know how the fancy cards have the inner paper that's like semi-attached with the writing on it? That's essentially what we're doing. So the words, and then you can put this over it, so it's kind of like that in the middle. And then fold it over, and that's basically your crease if it comes all the way down, and it does. It comes perfectly to the end of it, so that's my crease. Just pinch. Take this out and just kind of, can you see? Lay it flat and just, that's the crease for inside your card. Take your scissors, cut around the edge of the card, get as close to it as you can without cutting your picture. But this is perfect. Fits behind it, it's great. Get rid of our trash. And we will pick out a paper color. I just got basic colors, red, orange, yellow, green, blue. Blue's perfect. So I'm going to make sure that fits on half the card. It does. Fold it in half. And you can leave it like this if you want, just fold it in half, or you can trim it. I'm going to trim mine a little bit. And then you can just line it up and it looks like it's about equidistant all the way around, which is nice. Then you're going to take your double-sided sticky tape, just rip the back off. Glue will get the pictures soggy and kind of everywhere, so you just, so I don't know if you can see that kind of reflection of the tape. Make sure it is right side up. So I want my picture like this. I want my card to open like this. So make sure it's the right side up. Line it up. And then we can do the inside of the card, same thing with the sticky tape. Make sure you know which way it's going. And I would actually leave it folded while you're doing this, because if you try to do it like that and then you fold it, it's gonna stretch weird. So I'm just gonna do a couple pieces. Make sure it's laying nice and flat when you put the tape on. And then it's really important to put tape by the crease of the card up here, because that's the part that's going to get the most wear and tear inside the card itself. And then I would actually open it up while you do the other side, because if you leave this side down with tape on it to tape the other side, you're just going to press it into your table. Edge to, that's not lined up, crease to the crease, just make it kind of equidistant. Press the creases in together. There we go, inside of the card, very nice. We're gonna go in and edge it with this craft tape, so if any of the corners aren't perfectly square on here, or if it doesn't line up perfectly, now's the time to fix it. For this one, I'm going to use the gold, because I think that's pretty. I'm gonna cut, pull it out, and I'm gonna cut enough to go slightly past the edge. This stuff's really easy to work with. It's almost like really durable tissue paper with adhesive on the back, if that makes sense. Do this. And kind of line it up how you want it. And this will help make your edges straight. It'll help with a lot of things, and it'll make it look just a little bit fancier. It'll help with your lining things up. And then you just kind of trim off the end a little bit, just like that. And it's okay if it's sticking up, because you're going to put another piece right across the top. Okay, so that is one card done. But what do you think for the outside of just a nice little card? So I'm going to be using a peacock card next. And this one I've decided I actually want cut. I think that'd be kind of cool. So I'm just going to, see if I can get a better angle. Cut, cut, cut. And then I would actually like these segments to be the same size. So we're just gonna do that. And now I'm a picture in 3 parts. Let's go with blue. Why not? We'll have 2 cards that are blue. So this one, so we're just gonna fold it. If you guys did hamburger hot dog way in school, we're gonna fold it hamburger way, just to say horizontally. And we're going to put this wish on the inside, wishing you a day as fabulous as you are, because it's a peacock. I should have lined this up before I cut the picture. Oh no. I'll put the crease there. That'll be good. I'm gonna line up the edges this time, and then crease it, and then cut it out. There we go. And now we double-sided sticky tape it. Press it down. Now this is the top of the card. Very important to remember that. We're going to put our peacock on. Some double-sided tape. I'm just going to do an X. We'll line this up somewhat center. That looks almost center. Here we go. We'll get our, oh no, which ways did these go? Not that way. Okay, good. So that one works, and there, that looks right. Just be very careful about flipping those over so I don't lose the orientation again. And then I need to figure out how far I want it. I think I want it kind of equidistant as the margin. Do that. A nice big peacock card. Like that. I did not forget the gems. I'm just gonna do this one out of order. And then I was thinking of doing the blue or the green on this one, but that wouldn't really make sense because they're already blue or green. There's this pink one that's got some gold running through it. That one looks kind of cool, so I might do that one. And by might, I mean I'm doing that one. And a little bit wider. Cut. Okay. Looks pretty good. So we used stars before. Let's not use stars. And so we're going to use squares and diamonds. I'm going to show you the two that I made. They're super cute. Look at that. That's just as good as any card you can get in the store. Then we have the peacock one. Isn't that pretty? I don't know how well the little gems are showing up on camera, but you just spent 15 minutes watching me apply them. So you know they're there. You can probably see them like maybe, oh you can't even, they're really small, but they're there. So I'll put everything you need in the description to make these yourself, along with my socials. I would love to see you back here if you want to hit subscribe so you can find me again. And if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you soon. Bye.